Hi friends, hello everyone. Welcome back to Thanmaya tutorials. Your go-to place for a mastering chemistry concepts with clarity and confidence. In this today's video, we will understand the difference between allylic halides, vinylic halides, benzylic halides and aryl halides. All these terms might sound similar, but they are different with respect to their structures. Now let us understand. First, let us classify the halogen atom which is attached to hydrocarbon into two types. One is alloalkanes, another one is alloarenes. Alloalkanes means your halogen atoms like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine has been attached to the hydrocarbon or the simple ring where it is a non-benzene ring. In the alloarene, your halogen atoms will be attached to the benzene ring. So now in the alloalkanes, it has been once again classified it as allylic halides, vinylic halides. In alloarenes, we have benzylic halides and aryl halides. Now let us understand one by one. What is meant by allyl halides? Allylic halides means the halogen atoms will be attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom that will in turn attach to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, that is only called as allylic halides. Now let me give you the example. So before that, let us understand what is meant by sp3 and sp2 hybridized carbon atom. See, we know that carbon is a tetravalency. Okay, it should get satisfied by the tetravalency. If nothing but a carbon atom should be surrounded by the 4 bonds. If the surrounded 4 bonds is a single bonds, then we will call it as sp3 hybridized carbon atom. But in case carbon atom is there, obviously it's a tetravalent should be satisfied. But if it is surrounded by a double bond like this double bond, then it is called as sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Remember, we see this hybridization only by the sigma bonds, not by the pi bonds. This is a sigma bonds 1 2 3. Okay, then it is called as sp2. See, one is S, other two will be p2. Okay, like this, remember. Okay, and here also the 4 single bonds is there, means that is sp3 s 1 2 3 3p, like that you have to remember. Okay, so this is about the sp3 and sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now let us take the example which is present in your NCERT textbook only. See, like this they have given you the example. See, this is a halogen atom, you know this, right? This is a halogen atom. Halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. See, can you see this is a carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, because the surrounded 4 bonds, 1 2 3 4 bonds are what? Single bonds, right? Then it is a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That particular sp3 hybridized carbon atom in turn attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Can you see the carbon atom here? This is 2 carbon atom will be there. Okay, this carbon atom is surrounded by 1 2 3, another one bond will be there. So one double bond, it's nothing but a what? It is a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so therefore halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is in turn attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, itself is called as allylic halides. Now let us understand about the vinylic halides. If you understand allylic halides is very simple, where your halogen atoms will be attached directly to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, no sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, for example, see, in this example, this is a halogen atom which is attached to the carbon atom which is a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. See, 1 2 3, another bond will be there 4. So that double bond, it has been attached to double bond, therefore it is a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Therefore it is called as vinylic halides. Okay. So now let us understand about the alloarene types, that is benzylic halides and arylic halides. This is also very simple. If the halogen atom will be attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which will be attached in turn to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring, or you can directly say it has been attached to benzene ring. Therefore it is called as benzylic halides. Let me take you the example. So let me consider the benzene ring here. See, this is a benzene ring. Okay, and here there will be the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then here halogen, X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This sp3 hybridized carbon atom in turn attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So the carbon atom which is present in benzene ring, all carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Let me show you the structure of it. See, this is actually the open structure of the benzene ring. Can you see all the carbon atom has been attached to the one double ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 tetravalence is satisfied and one double ring has been attached. Therefore, all the carbon atoms present in your benzene ring are sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Remember this, very important. Okay. Now let us understand about the aryl halides. What is meant by aryl halides? It's very simple. Halogen atom will be directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring. It is simple as like this. You have the benzene ring. You have the benzene ring. All are sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Directly your halogen atom will be attached. Okay. So this is called as aryl halides. I think hope you understand. Now let us summarize everything. So finally, let us summarize once. So that is, allylic halides means your halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which in turn attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In vinylic, your halogen atom directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. In benzylic, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which in turn attached to benzene ring. Arylic means your halogen atom directly attached to benzene ring. I think hope you all understand about the concept and hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Please take a screenshot of this. This is a very short notes which made by me. It will be very helpful for you, and share with your friends, which will be very helpful for them also. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.